Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make sapin sapin. You need glutinous rice flour and rice flour. Also coconut milk and sugar. In a bowl, add glutinous rice flour and rice flour. Add in the sugar. Add the condensed milk. Oh, this is so satisfying. Okay, a lot of this stuff. Make a well in the middle and add the coconut milk. Look at the coconut milk pouring into the bowl. It looks satisfying. And mix everything together until it's well combined. Mix it slowly. Prepare the steamer by heating the water. Divide the mixture into 3 equal parts. Now here we have 3 equal parts. Add a few drops of yellow food coloring. Then mix it well. Oh look, this is like a marble type of color. But when it's properly mixed, it's completely yellow. You can add some jackfruit puree. You can add mashed ube to the purple one. And leave the white one. And brush your mold with coconut oil from the latique. You can make a big or small sapin sapin. Now first scoop some purple mixture. Make sure the water is boiling before you steam. Steam for 8 minutes or until it's cooked. Put in the yellow mixture. Then cover and steam it. Insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it means it's cooked. Then add the white mixture and steam until it's cooked. Here's ready-made latik. Arrange it on a plate. It came out very easily. Yummy! Then put some latik on top.
What's that?
Look, it's so cute like a flower. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye! Love you all. Merry Christmas!